wonder why. Learning objectives. 1. Curiosity leads to knowledge. 2. Understanding the surroundings. I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. Who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest? Oh, when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? Who lights the stars when they blow out and makes the lightning flash about? Who paints the rainbow in the sky and hangs the fluffy cloud so high? Why is it now? Do you suppose that Dad won't tell me if he knows? Find meaning. Bit, part, flash, a sudden shine of bright light. Fluffy, soft and light like cotton or wool. Exercises. Answer the following questions. A. What do the birds do? Answer. The birds build a nest. B. What do the trees do? Answer. The trees take a rest. C. What does the lightning do? Answer. The lightning flashes out. D. What happens to the stars sometimes? Answer. The stars blow out and lit. E. Why do you think Dad won't answer the questions? Now you answer this question. Do you know the answers to any of the questions? Find their meanings. A. Explore. To know more about something. B. Various. Several different. C. Taught. To be told. D. Blow. To cause something to move. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. The dash builds a nest. Birds. B. The dash is never seen. Wind. C. The dash are so high. Cloud. D. Dash always take rest. Trees. Take the right option. A. This poem is simply a child's way of viewing the dash as something to wonder. 1. World. 2. Family. 3. School. 1. World. B. In the poem, we can find that wonder that we once felt as a 1. Child. 2. Adult. 3. Baby. 2. Adult. C. We can see the dash of the child in this poem. 1. Curiosity. 2. Knowledge. 3. Childish. 1. Curiosity. Match the following objects in column A with the shapes in the column B. Column A. Cushion, ball, birthday cap, birdhouse. Column B. Triangle, pentagon, circle, rectangle. Cushion, rectangle. Ball, circle. Birthday cap, triangle. Birdhouse, pentagon. Let's enjoy the poem. Stars are not solids like the ground beneath your feet. Have you ever wondered what the stars are made of? The child in the poem asks various questions to his father. Prepare a list of questions that you are curious about. Communication, writing skills. Children are very curious about the things they see around them. They have a lot of questions about these things. Prepare a list of questions that you are curious to know. One has been done for you. I want to know why the moon shines so bright.